Yo guy, what's up? Okay, today I'm gonna teach you guys how to make a Kiwiquest Alike song. Okay, this is the second time I make a tutorial about the song that composed by the same guy, Kiwiquest. Yeah, the last time I did was low, and then you guys seem to like that a lot, and then asking for bite or something like that. Yeah, so now I'm doing bite. Okay, I will not do a song about Oppo guy anymore. Okay. The next time if someone would I gonna say no because it's too repetitive and gonna too boring. Yeah, I don't want anything to be boring. Okay, so we're gonna keep swapping style. Okay, now the first thing you need to do is select a piano. I'm gonna use the Yamaha C7, and then you make a chord like that, a minor chord. Okay. That's exactly what the chord supposed to sound like. Okay. Okay, and now you do this thing. You move the note way away. First of all, you ching all of this down, and then you move this thing a bit, this like this, and then let me just remove this thing so we can get the bass note out of it. Copy and then bring back the that note, and then we place down this note right here, acting as a bass, and now look what it sounds like. Alright, now let's start with the string. Wait, hold on. Let me just scoop this thing so it won't be any trouble mixing, I guess. Now I mix. Then I, I take out the low end because it's gonna affect the recording. Okay. Yeah, it might sound terrible when I don't have a external record sound on, but whatever. Okay, I'm gonna turn on the external record when I need to. Okay. If I turn on external record while recording my voice, then it's gonna be so quiet like all the time I record. So I'm trying the new way. Okay, I don't have access to any DVP in here, so I just gonna use the one shot. Okay. Yeah, because that's exactly or what or mobile producer what like. Yeah, we don't have access to a fancy instrument something like that. So I'm just gonna use one shot, of course. And it sounds terrible until. Okay, make sure you string sound later. Okay. Now it's time for a bunch of string. So we're gonna delete this thing and then we're gonna make the bass note. we're gonna add a hit also. It was this sound right here. Okay, so here the arrangement. Okay, we got this piano and then this thing right here and then this thing coming out right here, and the 17 bar right here, it's gonna be the drop part. So we bring in the impact and the brass right here. Okay, the brass, this thing, and then I'm gonna cut this part off so we can see that it a drop or something. Yeah, it basically make it a high, and then I'm gonna extend this string. And we're not done yet. We're gonna add a square wave again. The square wave arpeggio or something like that. Yeah, English is not my first language either. Now all of this supposed to sound like this. Now we're gonna add a Freddy music box melody on the start, okay, and not the drop or something like that. So I just gonna go right here and then create a new delete wave, and then gonna go right here and say that the clock spin or something, and whatever that thing it sounds like a ding 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 or whatever it is. Uh yeah, right here, right here. Listen to what it sounds like. Yeah, that's exactly what it sounds like. Okay, now we're gonna make a Freddy music box melody, something like that. I don't know how to make this, so I guess you guys can just drag a MIDI, I guess. Okay, cut until I take the MIDI inside. Got the MIDI, man. Okay, now it like this. I think we need to use a actual reverb on this thing because this thing is like a. Okay, now the finishing melody is supposed to. The melody is supposed to sound like this. Okay, sorry, my voice got cut. It. I know that. Okay, now it's time for the amen break. Yeah, we're gonna select audio clip, and then we're gonna go to amen break right here. And I think the build up one is gonna be the karate run way. This one. Yeah, we of course need to resample it. Yeah, and I know how. Okay, watch me. When it reaches the end before the drop right here, add some scenario of the amen break sample you take. Okay. Okay, now that a bit too much of a high end, so just gonna lower this thing down a bit. And now it's time for the drop amen break thing. Yes, which basically I gonna go to this collection of sample pack right here. I think I know which one to take them. It's the same one listed in low. Yeah. Wait. This one. 17. Okay, now we can throw in the MIDI and see the final result. I'll come back when I put on the MIDI. Okay. 3, 2, 1, cut. Okay, now I got the MIDI. Okay, let's listening to the final result. Okay, by the way, guys, before we listening to it, if this video hits 100 like, I gonna give it FLM file for free, with all the sample and used in here included completely. Yeah. Okay, so okay, let's see the final result. Yeah, so that's it. Okay, guys, thanks for watching, and I hope you like this video. If you like this very much, please press subscribe. Okay, man. If I hit 1,000 subscribers, it would be so cool, and I gonna keep some of my sample pack list or something in it, so you guys can know where I can take them, and I gonna keep some more advanced tip that nobody had ever teach it in FNF community. Yeah, I know you guys are starting making song when FNF or something like that, but different like me. I make the song first thing in beat or something like that, then just keep growing with this or whatever. See ya, guy.